Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Jeffree Star's Magic Concealer and Setting Powder. And you guys, I'm just unboxing this right now. I'm not going to be, I'll swatch it right now, but I'm not going to be doing a full face right now. I will be doing that on another video, so stay tuned for that. So you guys know, if you are into makeup, then you guys know that Jeffree Star just launched a concealer and a setting powder. You guys, I'm dying because his packaging is so cute. I love how he's very different with his packaging. He's very like unique with his makeup, which I like, because a lot of makeup is just like plain, simple, it all looks the same and all that stuff. And he gives you like a decent price, but you get good quality and you get a lot of stuff for a packaging. I'm going to show you guys like just comparisons to other brands. Now I don't have like 1,000,001 brands, but I do have a concealer that I'm going to compare it to, and I have a setting powder that I'm going to compare it to, and the price differences of these products. So this is what the box of his concealers look like. They come in a box that looks like this, and obviously it just tells you the size or the color of the product you got. And then it is like holographic, if you can see that. I don't know if you can, but it is holographic material. And I just really love the packaging, and it just screams Jeffree Star. And then off to the side it has his cosmetics website, and then his social medias, and then we have his, it is recyclable and it is 12 months. So let's dive into this beauty. Like I said, I did get C1, and I was actually kind of scared, and I'm really hoping that this matches my skin, just for the simple fact because I am kind of pale, but then I'm kind of not pale. It just all depends. So this is what the packaging looks like, you guys. It is gorgeous, and it screams Jeffree Star, and it looks like a wand, which I love. And this is a close-up of the wand. Super cute. I really love the little star up here and all that stuff. So this is his concealer. it's just so gorgeous. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. Alright, and then this is his setting powder, and let's see. And I got this one in rose because I was trying to go the best way that I could with the way that his website was like describing his content and stuff, and I was like, I hope this is for me, because I do have, as you can tell, I will take my glasses off, I don't have any foundation on. I just have eye stuff going on. My cheeks are very rosy and all that jazz, and if you read his description, the concealer was for rosy type skin, and so is the setting powder. So I really hope that this works, you guys. And one other thing I want to show is, look how cute this is. It's like an ombre. It goes in. I don't know. I really like that. So you guys are probably like, come on, let's see the packaging. So here we go. Alright. Of course, gorgeous packaging as always, and this is a 10 gram or a 0.353 ounce bottle of setting spray, I don't know why I keep saying setting spray, setting powder. So this is what it looks like. This is the thickness of it, and let's open this bad boy. I've already opened it because I wanted to smell it. It smells like cotton candy, and this is what the inside of it looks like. It does have the twisty thing to where you can open it, and then you get your powder. And then you can close it back up so you don't lose any powder in the process. And then this is what the back of it looks like. It just tells you basic packaging of Jeffree Star if you do get Jeffree Star. So you guys, I am obsessed, and this is the picture that it came with. I love getting these pictures right here because they're just, I don't know, it's just something extra. And you can do like really fun things with these. You can collage with these. You can put them in frames and stuff like that. I just really like how he sends something like this out to people. It's just something that he really doesn't have to do, but he just does it, which I like. So that is everything that I got for this launch, his Magic Star launch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch this and this just so you guys can see. And he said that his applicator goes a long way, and it just, to me, it looks like his lipstick applicators, but not like to a certain extent, because his applicators for his lipstick are obviously very different. So I do have tattoos on my hands, and he said that these can cover ink. So let's see. Holy. Okay, I'm blown away. You can't even see that star there anymore. Holy crap, you guys. This, oh my god. Like, I'm blown away. I haven't worn this. I can't wait to put it on my face to show you guys. But, like, I really hope that this matches my skin. I mean, it is definitely for, like, brightening your under eyes and stuff like that. So I really hope. We'll see what it looks like as it sets. So I'm going in with the powder, and I'm going to take just a Jeffree Star brush, and we're going to swatch this. Just the powder, you guys, is pretty mind-blowing. So that is with a brush. I am going to do it with a swatch, finger swatch. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell, but here is the concealer, here is the brush, and then here is the finger swatch. So it is pretty pigment for just a powder. Like, holy crap, you guys. So I am actually blown away by that. I'm actually glad. I was actually thinking about not buying this, but I'm glad that I did. So I'm obsessed. Okay, so what I wanted to kind of do is like compare these. Compare it to is Kat Von D. Now I know this is his rival enemy, but I have her setting spray. I paid $45 or something for this one. And you guys, her setting powder is not anywhere as pigment or whatnot to that nature. I mean, it shows, but it is nothing like his, you guys. I mean, well, I don't know. Let me see. Let's do this again. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick comparison. They do sort of have the same consistency. Like, you can see the payoff of it, you guys. So, I don't know. But I just want to say, like, $46 I think it is, and then $22. So if you can see, there is a difference. You get a much bigger packaging. It is sort of the same payoff, which I like, because this Kat Von D matches my skin perfectly. So I don't know. This right here is sort of a toss-up, you guys. So I don't know which one I am digging. I do like the fact that Jeffree Star's is scented, unlike hers. But I don't know if the scent can clash with your oils in your skin and cause some type of bad odor. I'm not sure about that because we have not got that far yet. So, and then here is my CoverGirl concealer, you guys. I can tell you right now, this is not going to be any... No. This is horrible. Like, as you guys can see, I'm still trying to pack stuff on here just to even get the same consistency of the Jeffree Star concealer. And I'm still not even getting anywhere with this CoverGirl. So the CoverGirl is definitely nothing that I can compare to him. So that will definitely be more of a, for my eyes. So yeah, you guys. No, like, look at that. No. Jeffree Star, you are so winning when it comes to that. Like, now I can't compare it to another high-end concealer because I have never used a high-end concealer. I have only used drugstore concealers. And yeah, you guys, so I am actually blown away. I'm glad that I got my hands on this bad boy and this beauty. Let me know what you guys think. Did you guys buy anything from his Magic Star launch? If you did, let me know down below. And as always, you guys, I'll upload every 3 days due to working purposes. And I'll see you in my next video. Remember, you are beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys.